the late adopter. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, to the new video, and right now we are doing update on Bittorrent, what's actually happening. I know a lot of you guys want to know how long the bleeding is gonna bleed, so we're gonna talk about that. But before we do that, I gotta shield my channel a bit right now. We do altcoins on this channel, a lot of altcoins, not just Bittorrent. I know you like Bittorrent, but we do a lot of altcoins, like 5-6 altcoins videos daily on the channel, or just on the channel. And then we got Patreon group where we do like 40 altcoins every single day. If that's something for you, you might want to check it out. And we got a Telegram group with a nice community, like 900 people right now there, growing bigger and stronger every day. Real nice people, so do check that out as well. That said, let's get into the charts and actually see what's actually happening with Bittorrent and how long can we expect this to last. So first of all, let's pop some lines, nice lines over here that we've been talking about yesterday, and we've been talking about that this support over here, once it started going down, this support is actually have to hold for us to find some kind of bottom right now. But yesterday was very good because we held above the line. You can see here we held just above the line, and that's very positive and very good. Today we are going down, but we have been all the way down to 75 today, by the way. But this doesn't matter. These wicks doesn't matter. We are not watching the wicks. What we want to see is at the end of the day that this price is closing above 79. So that's what we see. If it starts closing above 79, that this support actually might actually be quite nice support, and it might actually hold all the way through. The bearish news would be if we start closing below this support, and then we have to look for some other targets, like something down here might actually be at 69. That might actually be some kind of support, so we have to have that in mind as well, that this might actually pan out. This line, I think it's not yeah, you can see this line was very good support for, sorry, resistance. You had another one over here, like this, something like this. So basically the price was going down, then broke it, then it's going down, it's broke it, then it's going down. But every time the fall is getting less and less. So we can assume that this also line, this line is eventually gonna be broken, and it's gonna until it finds some kind of support, right? So in the start the drops are pretty significant, but then it's kind of slowing down. It's kind of slowing down, and that's a positive thing, because it looks like it's trying to find some kind of support, and we're gonna follow up on that and what's actually happening. These two tops also might indicate some kind of triangle, maybe something like this over here or over here. It kind of depends where. Let me see this one. Yeah, this one is better. So this might actually indicate some kind of triangle or some kind of a move. Then what might happen is that we get some kind of either some kind of a triangle or some kind of maybe falling wedge or something like that. But we don't have much right now, but we have to wait and see. This I think is bearish, because we are breaking this triangle on the downside, but this is not confirmed because we only have two tops. So I wouldn't call this a decent triangle, so we just have to wait. Right now we are in kind of no man's land, but we know that we are going down. We know that we are going down, but we don't know how much we're going down. We don't know where the support is. So what we're gonna look at now is we're gonna look at, first of all, this indicator down here, and I'm gonna explain to you a little bit what this is. We can just turn off these two. So this indicator, it just shows you that this. Let's go to the daily. You can see these stops over here. This one, this top over here, and this top over here. Every time this indicator spikes up, you can see this spikes up, we get either sideways movement or down movement. There is no down movement here, but the point is that this indicator goes all the way down to the zero line, right? And that's the point. We want to get the zero line before we actually make a move further up. Over here it was down at zero line, and then you made a move up, hit this target up here, then you went sideways, went all the way down, almost all the way down to the zero line, and then you could make another move up. And you can see after another move up, we went down to the zero line, so we are actually corrected what we wanted to correct. But you can see here, after this bump over here, all the way up here, we had a period where we are holding the zero line, and that's what I'm expecting. I'm expecting a period where we're holding. I don't know how long the period is gonna last, but we gotta expect that. So this indicator is just confirming what we already know, is that we hit some kind of top over here, and the correction has to come. How big of a correction that is, we don't know. It's not correction, more like consolidation, and that's very important difference. That's very important difference. That said, I don't, like, Bitcoin is right now up, I think 5% or more today, 4.7%. This is a bull run continuation. I have been bullish on Bitcoin for a long time. When everybody's saying flooding Bitcoin and saying this is the top and stuff like that, I'm still saying no, it's not the top. We're gonna go higher, and as long as the bull run is intact, there will be no 80-90% correction, and the possibility for this going higher is very high. So if you're a hodler, you can just hodl if you want to hodl, not a financial wise. It can actually go down to the zero. I don't actually know, but my opinion is that this should actually go higher after a while. The next thing we're gonna look at is the weekly chart, and we're gonna remove just these lines up here, like this. Okay, so we're gonna remove the lines, and we're gonna just look at the daily chart, weekly chart. We're gonna look at the weekly chart with this indicator up here. This is rubber band indicator. It tells how much something is extended, right? So this when it popped over here, it was up at 89, and here is all the way up at 94. Now it's correcting down. So 78 is a nice correction, but it's still it looks like it's going down. Now it's 74. It's still very nice numbers to actually stop the correction, and you can see on the way up it had only one red week. We had the one red week, so this week can actually be green if we actually manage to find some kind of a bottom and some kind of a reversal pattern. That's what we are looking for now. We are waiting for everybody that wants to sell, the weak hands to sell, and when there are only strong hands and diamond hands left, that's when the price says, okay, now it's time to go up, and you go up. But right now we are not quite there yet. It looks like there's still some kind of sell-off, so you just have to wait that period out. But we got some kind of support line at 79, and we have this other one at 69, so we just have to wait and see where it's gonna find support, and if it's gonna hold one of these lines or not. But right now the weekly weekly rubber band index is looking very nice, very nice. And the last thing we're going to look at is the moving averages, and moving averages on daily are not actually looking good because we are falling below the 10 moving average, but maybe we can find support on 20 moving average. And 20 is actually corresponding very nice to 69, so I actually have a very big belief that 69 is going to hold. The bearish news, we got bearish cross down here. It doesn't, however you look at it right now, this is definitely in some kind of a downtrend or side trend. So will this go up today? I don't believe that, but there is always a chance that it will go up in a near future. So we are still monitoring Bittorrent. We still want it to go up and stuff like that, but it does have to find some kind of bottom, and it does have to find some kind of reversal pattern and continue up. This will of course at one point in time change to the bullishness. The blue will cross the orange again, and we will be bullish, but right now today that's not the day. Either way, there's a lot of other altcoins that are performing very well on our channel. We are an altcoin channel. We do like 5-6 altcoins, and a lot of those are bullish. But we also got a Patreon page where we do like 40 altcoins every single day, and we rank them up. This is good, this is not good, this is bad, yes thanks, no thanks, and stuff like that. So if that's your thing, you might want to check that out and see what other altcoins are actually performing good or not. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more altcoins. Always enjoyable to have more people on the channel. And of course like the video, because YouTube algorithm likes the likes and stuff like that. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye, and see you around later today. Bye bye.